Hey everyone, it's Jared here with Heat Press Nation, and Siser EasyWeed Matte Heat Transfer Vinyl is here. In this quick video, I'll be showing you how to apply it onto a t-shirt. For anyone wanting Siser's famous EasyWeed vinyl without the semi-gloss finish, you're in luck. Siser offers matte versions of select EasyWeed colors, including red, orange, purple, and more. The new matte has the same application settings as regular EasyWeed. For pressing EasyWeed HTV, your press will need to be set to 10 to 15 seconds at 305 degrees Fahrenheit with medium pressure. Here, we've already cut and weeded a dual color design for a dark medium t-shirt. So let's go ahead and apply it. Just like the rest of the EasyWeed line, EasyWeed Matte is peeled hot or cold and can be layered. For the first layers of EasyWeed Matte, do a quick 3 to 5 second press to tack them down. For the final layer, go ahead and press for the full 10 to 15 seconds. When the timer reaches 0, open your heat press, peel the EasyWeed Matte carrier sheet hot or cold, and you're all done. Siser EasyWeed Matte gives you a greater variety in available finishes, and the application is the same as your favorite tried and true EasyWeed products. Here's a comparison with the same cut transfer on another dark shirt, but cut with regular EasyWeed. As you can see, the EasyWeed Matte transfer appears to be less shiny thanks to its lack of a gloss finish. If you'd like to learn more about Siser EasyWeed Vinyl, please visit our website at heatpressnation.com. For any questions, give our MyExpert representatives a call at 800-215-0894. Once again, I'm Jared with Heat Press Nation, and thank you for watching.